Hello my dear friends, and welcome back to If Only April Studio. I'm April and this is my DIY YouTube channel. A lot of DIY projects. I like to create some art, like that you can use this home decor. I like to make furniture. We do a lot of woodworking projects. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell button to be notified when I post new videos so you're not gonna miss any of them. But let's get started with today's project. So it is still super cold outside and my garage is not heated, so I can only get there, kind of in and out, like super fast, while making very simple cuts. But I really wanted to make something with wood because I miss woodworking so much. So I decided to create this beautiful gallery wall from the wooden panels. And yeah, so it kind of involves my two favorite things, wood and art. As usual, all these art projects, you can customize them as much as you like, to fit with your home decor and fit into your personal space. And yeah, this is the beauty of making art, because you can just do whatever you want with it, right? So as you can see, it's still very cold outside, and I just ran into my garage to cut this wood real quickly, and then we're gonna take it upstairs and we're gonna make something super cool. I have really high hopes on this one. It's gonna be fabulous. This is a board 1x10 by 6, and as you know, 1x10, it's not actually 10 inches wide. Yeah, it's not actually 10 inches. It's in fact 9 1/4. But we need to make a completely perfect square, so make sure to measure that your board is 9 1/4 of an inch. Measure the same distance, and make a square. Use this Swanson tool. It's very convenient to make a straight line. Yeah, and then I'm gonna cut it. Okay, so and if you want to have perfect squares, I really recommend you to cut as you go, because as you know, the blade, the miter saw blade, it takes approximately 1/8 of an inch, and yeah, so you basically want it to be perfect. Yeah, and protection, ear protection. Don't forget about that, because yeah, you don't wanna become deaf. Oh, yes! And I'm back to my office, and you know what? I cannot complain because it's really cold in the garage. But I have here 12 panels, and the next step, what we're gonna do, we're gonna tape the edges so we're gonna have a nice clean look, and then we're gonna paint the rest. But yeah, that's not gonna be just that simple, so keep watching. Yeah, we're gonna check for the side that has less splinters, and then we're gonna add this frog tape just on the edge, because I don't want to calculate, the distance, and make sure that you press the tape really tight so it's not gonna bleed through. That would suck, right? So this way we're gonna create some sort of natural frame, and it's gonna look fabulous. Yes. Shh. Ooh. 3 hours later. Just kidding, not that long, but still took me a while. And now we're gonna use some paint, And I'm still debating if I should use acrylic paint or I should use house paint. But probably I'm gonna go... drum roll. You know what? I'm gonna test it first on the back of the board. Let's see which one lays better. This is so therapeutic. I love painting. Even though I don't consider myself a good painter, but I don't care. I just love doing that. Yes. Okay. Okay, this is very nice. Okay, it's settled. I'm gonna do this paint. You know what I think another cool idea could be is just like, I'm painting these squares white, but then I'm planning to add some sort of designs to each of them. But you know what? I was like thinking now, it also could be cool if you just make those squares in just different colors, like kind of like a Pantone. And yeah, that's something to explore. Maybe I'll do another set. Damn. You see so many ideas, so many possibilities. It's like it's so hard to choose which one to use. So I already made a sketch of how I want my design to look like. And now we're gonna try the colors, because this is approximately the colors that I chose. This one is gonna be like sage, but this is the only pencil that I could get from my kids. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, this is definitely gonna be the sun. I mean, if you know me, you know how much I like the sunrise. Okay guys, so for our next panel, I'm gonna try to use a bit of a different approach, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I've never tried it before. I saw how it's done, and it shouldn't be that complicated. But basically I want to take the potato and kind of like make some sort of stamp with it, because that's gonna give like the paint, you know, like such a nice texture, you know, like when I'm gonna be putting it on. We'll see. So we're basically going to be doing some sort of carving. I'm not sure if this is the right knife, but well. Yeah, okay. That wasn't bad. Always fun to try new techniques and how we can make things differently, right? This will do. Let's take our potato. Whoa, love it. Yes. Okay. This is how it's gonna be. Oh no. The first one and I smudged it. Oh. Okay. Make another one. Okay guys, can I be honest with you for a second? So this is definitely not the way I plan to present it to you. I wanted to put this on the wall and use this tape to put these paintings on the wall, but I misread like one small detail that you cannot put it on the painted walls. So a little accident happened, I'm not gonna show you what, and yeah, so it kind of like stopped like me from putting them on the wall. But you know what? I can put 12 holes in the on the front wall in my rental, so this is why I'm showing you like this. I hope you can use your imagination and see how it would look on the wall. And you know what? When I'm gonna move to a new house, eventually, if that's gonna happen, hopefully at some point soon, I'm definitely gonna put those paintings on the wall and I'm gonna show it to you then in its full glory. But as of now, bear with me please, this is my presentation, that's how it looks like. I love how they turned out. I absolutely love the choice of colors. Please let me know which one is your favorite, and yes, because I think I have a couple of favorites and I can point out to them if you're gonna let me know which one is yours. Watching guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and now you have some sort of idea how you can decorate that empty wall in your house. So if you end up doing this project, please let me know, tag me on Instagram. I would love to feature you in my stories and to see what beautiful thing you will create. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the notification bell button, like, comment, you know that it helps my channel to grow, and just please support your fellow creator. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Really hope next week is gonna be the one in the garage, but fingers crossed. I hope the weather is gonna be gentle with us here on the East Coast. Have a safe weekend. Bye guys, I'll see you next week. Too much enthusiasm, right? Okay guys, so for our